Hello! You probably arrived in this video after watching the video, How to Create a Simple Automation Bot. If you have not seen this video yet, I recommend clicking on the card above and watching it. So let's go to what matters. Enter the disorder's website, the developers, and enter applications. After that, click on New Application, enter your bot name, accept the terms of service, and click Create. Confirm that you are not a robot and you have created the application of your bot to Discord. Now we will configure some permissions. Click OAuth 2, check the bot option, and include the administrator permission. After that, go to the bot invitation link and add it to your server. Again, confirm that you are not a robot and you're done. Your bot has been added to your server. Now on the bot page, we will get the token to put in the code. Click Reset Token. So you will get the token from your bot, copy and paste it on your code. Finally, go back to the bot page and enable the Message Content Intent option, ensure administrator permission, and save changes. Okay, you created and configured the application of your bot. Let's test to show that it really worked as expected. By sending the message, "Hi," the bot returned the expected message, "Hello, how can I help you?" If you liked this video and want to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to enjoy and sign up for WKO Labs. Leave your questions and suggestions in the comments, and tell us what else you would like to learn. We see each other in the next video. Stay well.